Hey everyone, today I want to show one of the options of the EXAIR TurboBlast safety air gun. The gun is available from stock in numerous configurations. Simply choose one of 7 nozzles, 1, 3, or 6 foot long extension, and with or without the gate valve. Today's example is the model 1925. This utilizes the model 1114 super air nozzle in zinc aluminum construction, a 1 foot extension, and has the gate valve. Today's focus will be on the valve and just how easy the gun is to operate and adjust on the fly. The valve is roughly 1/4 turn from stop to stop and can take the performance from a gentle breeze to full force, as you can see on the scale, while I use the TurboBlast and adjust the valve. This kind of adjustment can be very useful when trying to find a single solution in an area that may need a delicate touch in certain spots and a forceful blast in others. If you would like to discuss which TurboBlast is right for your needs, contact an application engineer today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.